So why aren't we done? Because we haven't checked the endpoints. All right, so let's check the endpoints. Now, in this problem, the endpoints are really sort of excluded. The ends are between 0 and 1 here. That's the possible lengths of the cut. And so what we should really be doing is evaluating in the limit. So that would be the right-hand limit as x goes to 0 of a. And if you plug in x equals 0, what you get here is 0 plus 1 over 4 squared, which is 1/16. All right, and similarly at the other end, that's 1 minus 1 from the left. We get a quarter squared plus 0, which is also a 16th. So what you see is that the schematic picture of this function, and this isn't even so far off from being the right picture here, is that its level here is a 16th, and then it dips down and goes up. Right? This is a half, this is 1, and this level here is a half that. This is a 1 over 32. All right? So we did not find, when we found the critical point, we did not find the largest area enclosed. We found the least area enclosed. So if you don't pay attention to what the function looks like, not only will you about half the time get the wrong answer, you'll get the absolute worst answer. You'll get the one which is the polar opposite from what you want. All right? So you have to pay a little bit of attention to the function that you've got. And in this case, it's just very schematic. It dips down and goes up. And that's true of pretty much most functions. They're fairly simple. They maybe only have one critical point. They only turn around once. But then maybe the critical point is the maximum, or maybe it's the minimum. Or maybe it's neither, in fact. So we'll be discussing that maybe some other time. All right? So what we find here is that we have the least area enclosed. Enclosed is a 32nd, right? And this is true when x equals 1/2. So these are equal squares. All right? And most when there's only one square. Which is more or less the limiting situation if one of the pieces disappears. All right? Now, so that's the first kind of example. And I just want to make one more comment about terminology before we go on.